What's going on, everybody? Tonight we're going to do Raccoon fireworks. Uncle Sam, Noab. The performance on it right here is somewhere around here. Let's see if we can find the performance. Right here it is. Amazing long hanging Nishiki Kimuras. Let's go out here and see what Uncle Sam is all about, and you leave in the comments section below what you think about this 3-inch Noab. Here we go with Uncle Sam. Beautiful. Oh, it's so beautiful. That hang time is just gorgeous. Wow. So beautiful. It's like being in a firework that's just all the way around you. Wow. Still hang time. So beautiful. You like to see more? Please like and subscribe.